Forgot your iPad passcode? This video shows how to unlock it without a passcode or computer using Siri, iCloud, auto erase, and a reliable tool. Part 1. How to unlock iPad passcode without computer via Siri for iOS 8 to iOS 10. 1. Hold home to activate Siri. Ask Siri to open a non-existent app. Tap the App Store when it appears and open the download or update screen. When the app preview shows, close it. Your iPad may unlock. Part 2. How to unlock iPad passcode without computer or iTunes via iCloud. Go to iCloud.com and sign in with your Apple ID. Open Find My iPhone, then select your iPad under All Devices. Tap Erase iPad to wipe the device and regain access. Part 3. How to bypass iPad passcode without computer by previous auto erase setup. Tap Settings on your iPad. Once it has launched, go to Touch ID and Passcode. Browse through the options given until you reach the Erase Data tab. Select it and then tap on Auto Erase. Bonus: how to unlock iPad without password on computer via iOS Unlock tool. No computer methods are limited. A computer is more reliable. We recommend iOS Unlock, which removes passcodes, screen time, cloud activation lock, accounts, and MDM. Follow these steps to unlock your iPad using iOS Unlock. Step 1. Download, install, and launch iOS Unlock on your PC. Once the interface has appeared, click on Screen Unlock. Step 2. Link your iPad to your PC using a USB cable. Select the Unlock iOS screen box found in the incoming screen. Step 3. Adhere to the easy-to-follow on-screen directions in order to use key combinations to put your iPad in recovery mode. Step 4. Once the recovery mode has been activated, the utility tool will automatically discover your device. On the page where your selected device is displayed, verify your iPad information. You can then go ahead to download the firmware package that will remove your iPad passcode. Step 5. Once you have successfully downloaded the firmware, you should then choose Unlock Now to bypass the passcode lock on your iPad. Step 6. It will only be a matter of minutes before your iPad is unlocked and the screen lock is removed.